Mastering WordPress Themes, a step-by-step guide. Class 5, Choosing, Installing, and Customizing a Theme. Step 1, Exploring the WordPress Theme Directory. Description: in this first step, we'll delve into the WordPress Theme Directory to explore the myriad of themes available for your website. Whether you're seeking a minimalist design, an elegant layout, or a bold and vibrant style, the theme directory offers an array of options to suit your preferences. Instructions: navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Appearance tab on the left-hand side. Click on Themes to access the Themes page. Next, click on Add New to enter the WordPress theme directory. Use the search bar to browse themes by keyword, or explore the featured, popular, or latest themes. Click on a theme to preview its appearance and features. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, click on Install to add it to your website. Step 2. Installing a theme from the directory. Description: with our desired theme selected from the WordPress theme directory, it's time to install it onto our website. This step-by-step process will guide you through the installation, ensuring a seamless transition to your new theme. Instructions: after clicking Install on your chosen theme, wait for WordPress to download and install the theme files. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to make the theme active on your website. Your website will now be using the newly installed theme, giving it a fresh and updated appearance. Step 3. Customizing the theme to match your brand. Description: now that your theme is installed, it's time to personalize it to align with your brand identity. From adjusting colors and fonts to modifying layout options, this step will empower you to tailor your website's design to reflect your unique style and vision. Instructions: return to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance Customize. Here, you'll find a range of customization options specific to your installed theme. Explore the various sections, such as site identity, colors, fonts, and layout, to customize different aspects of your theme. Use the preview window to see real-time changes as you make adjustments. Experiment with different settings until you achieve the desired look and feel for your website. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click on Publish to apply them to your live site. Conclusion: congratulations! You've successfully chosen, installed, and customized a theme for your WordPress website. With your website now sporting a fresh and personalized design, you're well equipped to make a lasting impression on your visitors. Stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your WordPress skills and take your website to new heights. Step 1. Access the Theme Customizer. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance on the left-hand menu. Click on Customize to open the Theme Customizer. This will launch the live preview of your website with customization options on the left sidebar. Step 2. Customize Site Identity. In the Theme Customizer, locate the Site Identity section. Here, you can upload your site's logo, set a site title and tagline, and customize the site icon, favicon. Make any desired changes directly in the live preview, and the changes will update in real time. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click the Publish button at the top to save them. Step 3. Adjust colors and fonts. Look for the Colors and Typography sections in the Theme Customizer. Use these sections to customize the colors and fonts used throughout your site. Click on each section to expand it and reveal customization options. Use color pickers to select colors or choose from predefined color palettes. Similarly, choose fonts for various elements of your site from the typography settings. As you make changes, the live preview will update instantly. Once you're happy with your selections, click Publish to save the changes. Step 4. Customize header and footer. Explore sections related to header and footer settings in the Theme Customizer. Here, you can adjust settings such as header layout, header image, footer widgets, and footer text. Click on each setting to expand it and reveal customization options. Make changes as needed, and observe how they affect your site in the live preview. Remember to click Publish after making changes to save them. Step 5. Customize homepage in widgets. Navigate to sections related to homepage settings in widgets. Customize the layout and content of your homepage by choosing a static page or latest posts, adding featured content sections, and arranging widgets. Drag and drop widgets to different widget areas to customize the layout of your homepage. Preview your changes in the live preview, and click Publish to save them. Step 6. Additional customizations. Explore other sections in the Theme Customizer to make further customizations. Depending on your theme, you may have options to customize menus, background images, post settings, and more. Experiment with different settings until you achieve the desired look and functionality for your website. Always remember to click Publish after making changes to save them. By following these steps, you can seamlessly continue customizing your WordPress theme from where you left off, creating a website that reflects your unique style and brand identity. As we conclude Class 5 of our Mastering WordPress series, you've gained essential skills in choosing, installing, and customizing a theme for your website. By exploring the WordPress Theme Directory and personalizing your chosen theme to align with your brand identity, you've taken significant strides in creating a visually stunning and cohesive online presence. Now, get ready to embark on the next phase of your WordPress journey in Class 6, creating your first pages and posts. In this upcoming class, you'll delve into the fundamental concepts of WordPress content creation, focusing on the distinction between pages and posts. Learn how to craft a captivating homepage and other essential pages to introduce your brand and engage your audience effectively. Moreover, discover the art of writing and publishing your first blog post, establishing yourself as an authority in your niche and connecting with your readers on a deeper level. Stay tuned for Class 6, where you'll acquire the knowledge and skills to bring your website to life with compelling content that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting your journey, this class promises to empower you with the tools and insights needed to succeed in the world of web publishing. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make your mark on the digital landscape with Class 6, creating your first pages and posts.